Hello, welcome to another Dams TV. It's the Tuesday after the Easter bank holiday break. I've gone a bit lazy because I've had like 4 days off drinking and chilling in the caravan. Can't be arsed today, but we're starting a new job. Just let me quickly show you the house. Liam's ducked out the way. And so they've had some, because the weather was bad. Well, that was a bit close, wasn't it? The weather was bad. The renderer's only just finished the rendering. I don't get involved in rendering. It's too much hard work that for me these days. But I just thought I'd show you the actual awkwardness of the boards, getting them in. We've had a nightmare this morning. It's about 10:30 and we've still not started. So I picked the boards up this morning and they were in the bottom of the van. So what we've had to do is then get them out, rest them on the wall here, and then Liam stacked them there because we can't go up the drive because, where are you, Liam? I'm coming. I mean, a nice slim lad like me can squeeze past this, but like that. Then we've stashed them here. Right, Liam, get the other end. Don't put my face on camera. Go. Right. This is the route we're going. We're going to watch this. That's right on your head. Duck under the flipping nut of death. Up the ceiling.
Up the ceiling?
Up the stairs. Like this. Then stop there. Then skin face has to go round. Because we're going into the bathroom there.
Oh, well done.
What? Your face is going on now.
No, it's not.
If I can be honest, I'll edit you out. But most of the time I can't be arsed. I remember that. Right, come on. I'll give you, oh actually. Then we've got to go from there into here.
Only time you've helped this just gets on camera.
I know, well. Making some noises. We've done that 13 times. While I'm up here, I may as well show you the job. We've got 4 rooms to do in this house. Let's start with room 1. So the guys knocked all the plasters off. We've got a board over the ceilings. Dab these, we're dabbing over that. That's solid enough. But rather than skim it, with these cracks in this, just dab over it. Dab over that. Dab over that. Then in here.
Dam's TV's a wanker.
We'll have to dab over all these in here. Start again.
Is that your second take of that?
So, yeah, because someone was calling me a wanker. We're going to dab over these. Actually, it's probably easier, isn't it? Just give skin face the camera. The chimney breast, obviously, dab over that and follow it. Really old featured tiles. Dab this. This had like a... It had like a funny arch here, like wood and all fancy. But this, I should have took a bit of video footage when I came looking at it. But
we was on the way home, weren't we?
We was on our way home in a rush. Let's just get it looked at and gone.
We was late, weren't we?
Yeah, it was about 2:30.
Late for the pub.
About 2:30, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's same in here, board over the ceiling. Board this has been king spanned and taped up. Board all that. And then, come with me.
Woo. Decorative.
Lovely. Lovely piece of furniture. So, same in here. Board over the ceilings. Dab all the walls. We've still got, they're still waiting for the joiner to put the window boards on, but they're all cut, so they're going on. We've got a board over this. Board up there. This had like a fancy thing on. Like a big, that was horrible. Shocking. And then into this room at the back. I'll bang you in a minute, I'll tell you.
No, you won't.
And then we've got this room, same again. He's going to, at the weekend, knock this wall off and knock that wall off, because by the time I've dabbed this, he's still going to have a plant on. But if he leaves it on and I dab over it, he's going to have a bigger plant on. So what he's going to have to do, I'll board to that lip to there, and he'll plant on to match the depth of my boards. But if he leaves it on, that's going to be a bigger plant on, and the bigger the plant on, the sort of more it hits you in the face. So that's the plan there.
I think you could probably get away with saying plant on a few more times though.
Plant on. I'll plant this one on you. How's that?
You can try, but you'll miss.
I'll miss. So we've got one more board, and then we can, obviously, all the walls are going to need a good SBR before we can start dabbing. But the plan this week is that little room and start the other, because we've got a conservative on Friday, but then we're back here next week. Just crack on with it. Any day we've got spur, we've not got anything booked in. We've got quite a lot of room in the diary, so we're just going to come here and crack on with it.
Bit of an hospital job, innit?
No, yeah, hospital job, but it still needs doing. So, that's the plan. I'm not going to do it all in one video. I'm going to split it up. So look out for part 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and whatever, because I'm just going to try and make my videos a touch shorter, bit better, try and get back to the funny, back to the crack. There was always a bit of a crack on the channel when we started. There was some crack on the lime job, if you've not seen that.
I was going to say, yeah, on the lime, well, there's plenty of crack on that one.
Right. It's quite funny when we're YouTubing and the customers are running round and not wanting to be on. They're like waiting for you like, oh, is he finished? But we've got permission, so let's crack on. Right, Liam, let's get this last board up and get that ceiling boarded.
Right, okay.
Right, so we've got ourselves set up. I've smashed holes in to find all the joists and I've marked them. We can see up that crack. I don't know if you can see. You can see the joist there. You can actually see them up that crack. And then where I can't see them, I've smashed a hole in. I was smashing a hole in there forever. I was actually hitching the joist, a great big that runs along there. So I smashed a hole in and put my finger in. There's a joist there. And then you can't see the marks, but you can see through there and we can see them. So we'll board that. So now I'm going to start boarding the ceiling. And so I'm going to put the first board to here, take that light out, sort that light out, get that done, job's a good one. I'll show you in a minute. Right, so that's the first board up. So that board, that's the offcut, so I've cut it, I recut it to there, and that is not bad. So I've cut it shorter so that it hits a joist, because there's a little joist going that way. The main joists go along this way, and they go up from there, and then you can see them, like I said. So what I've done is, I've cut that back to 1, and I'll cut that. I don't know how I'm going to cut that, but I'll cut that after. This one's coming in here, cut that. Bit of a tricky cut actually that, when you think about it. I've got to come up here to here, it's got to go in there, come back, go there, and go around there. I don't know how the hell I'm going to cut that. That should be fun. What I did with the light was just undid it, slackened it off a bit, cut a little groove in it, you see, slotted it over, and then to save the piece, what I'll do with that, I'll just tuck that in there, and then I'll scrim over that and skim it. I might even put a bit of dabbing in just to stick it to the ceiling. That'll be fine. That'll be fine like that. So let's cut this next board. Just checking that. Right, going to try and explain to you how I've cut this. I don't even know if it fits yet, so it might not. So I've copied the length, which was 180. 180. This here, what's 50? I don't know why I've turned into a darts commentator. This was 55. So then that line that I sort of put a rule on there and traced that line. Well, I used that board, that good edge of that board. I held it up and pencil marked it so I know where it's going to hit there. Then I measured that distance, which was 79. If you come round there, I measured the distance from that to the board, which was 79. Right. So then I measured from that line to that point and from that line to that point and transferred them over. Then, instead of just going for it, I got this out the van. It was only about 10 quid, but it does come in handy for things like this.
Like 10 quid, it's always wrong. 10 quid is always wrong.
That always wrong. So then I transferred that angle over to there. So that was the mark, the 79, and it weren't far off, so I thought, well, it's got to be close enough. So then I transferred that, did the same there. How did I do that one? I did that, didn't I? Transferred that there. And then that is 8 centimetres, that's how thick that is. So, we're looking pretty good. So now, I'm going to cut that out, and you'll either be amazed at my skills or absolutely pissing yourself.
I know where I've come with it.
You know what I've not done though? I'm sure that's nibbed off there. It is, isn't it? I need to free-handed it then, but...
Once you've cut that out, it'll be right.
Do you reckon? Oh yeah, once I've cut that off. Yeah, of course. No. Stupid.
We're going here to catch your stupid mistakes.
I did it to test you on purpose. I mean, don't forget to like and subscribe at this point.
Oh, it's begging. It's quite early in the video to be begging.
Well, I've noticed others. What's that on my back?
You've noticed they don't watch very fast, so you have to get it in early.
If you're enjoying the videos and the merriment, like and subscribe. Don't forget to go to the merch. Get your Dams TV merch. Got hoodies, got mugs, got t-shirts.
See one Dams TV mug.
You've not got your mic on you. Oh.
Well, I can see how thing it still shows up a bit.
Does it?
I know.
What?
Nothing. I'm not going to say it yet because I'm not sure, but...
Oh. You thought it was wrong, didn't you? Huh? Huh?
Well, that's why I didn't say anything. So I'll not rip you until I know for
How is it here? Is it online?
It's pretty close.
You need your skin face?
Oh yeah. Who needs help holding up half a board?
Oh.
I'm going to make these shots count.
I've only got 2 left. I think you can let go, mate. Get it out of my face. Why do you always put it right in my face? What's up with you?
Here.
Which one missed that one?
Like a damn.
Oh, look at that. It's absolutely perfect. When we filled it with a bit of bonding, it'd be right.
Bash that in with a hammer.
I just want a bit of an adjustment. Oh, like I got love. Love. Oh, yes. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Right, so that's the ceiling boarded. Liam's just putting the last few in. So the next things to do is SBR everything, kill all the dust. I mean, you can use SBR, you can use PVA, you can use a stabilising solution, but I just find it, just SBR, jobs are good in. They're the best I could really do with them. That's not a good one. It's not brilliant, but it's not bad. Will you shut with that a minute? It's not brilliant, but what I'll do is I'll fill that with board adhesive into there, and then when you skim it, it'll be fine. They're all right. They'll be all right. They've that much gloss paint on, painted, they'll be fine. So that's the next thing, Liam. Go and get the SBR, lad, and SBR these walls. while we're letting that dry, we're going to have some dinner. That's take 2. And then we're going to mix up and we'll dab this little room, and it's all ready for skimming tomorrow. We need to get some skimming on the way home. Right, let's have some dinner.
Go on, explain yourself.
So what we're doing here, we had a full board there, and then another full board would have landed here and left us like a 10 mil. It's about 10 centimetres. It's 9 centimetres. So
right. Don't step in the stuff.
To try and straighten that in the corner is a right bastard of a job to do. So we're going to put a full board there. We're going to put a full board from this to there, and then we're going to put a strip in the middle, and then when we fill them tapes out, it's lovely.
You can tell as well because there's 2 horizontal, isn't there, next to each other?
Yeah.
Right, so
Just put that on gingerly. I'll go and get another one. The problem is, in this small room, you can't flipping move. Oh, there's a socket as well.
go on.
Put your fingers. Right, so that's that wall dabbed. That was pulled through. My wires pulled through. This is, that piece is just slightly set back a bit. And you see? So that when I skim it, what I've created is like a little indent. When I fill that out with skimming, it's perfect. Liam's on with dabbing this one. Anyone moaning about it being solid, they don't have to be solid. It's not a brand new house. We actually want the, and there's a massive hole in the wall there, we want the air to circulate behind them if anything. There's no gas or anything involved, so
No air testing.
there's no air testing. It's not like, it's not an airtight house, so you don't need to go crazy with dabbing. If it was a new build, then you'd have to do completely airtight walls.
It's actually boards.
Yeah, every board is done. That's weird, that, isn't it? Every board is picture framed on a new house, or should be. Must go through some adhesive, mustn't they?
I wonder who come up with that idea.
Just, yeah, British
gypsum.
gypsum, so you just buy more bonding. When I first started on site, my mate, he could flip in dab upstairs with the 3 bags. We got bath, a full bath of dab upstairs. It was only 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, but before, still good going, all reveals. So every day I'm here, what I've decided to do is do a daily vlog. So every day I come here, I'll do a vlog, I'll edit it tonight and I'll bang it on, and we'll see how that works. See if that's any good for you. So they should be shorter, but you can see what's going on. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Whew. Sounds like a plan to me. Thanks for watching. See you next week. No, see you tomorrow.